In this video, we will show you how to block websites on Google Chrome to increase your productivity and prevent from distractions. Okay, maybe it's better you block websites that are not important like social media. How to do that? On Google Chrome, it's very easy. Just click these three dot button icons and select extensions and select visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, in here, just type block site and hit enter. Don't forget there are many extensions here, okay? And I'm suggest you to using the feature one, okay? You can see they have this image, focus, password, and a word. Okay, I already try more than one extension and this is the best for the biggest rating. Okay, you can see. Just click on the name of the extensions and click add to Chrome and select add extension here. After that, wait until the installation of the extension is done. Then you can just click this icon and select block site. Okay. Now you can click change block sites and add some website like facebook.com for example and just click add website. After that, you can try to open facebook.com and the page is look like this. This site is blocked so you can focus on your work. Okay. If you want, you can also add password protection. If you set password protections, okay, for example, I try 1 until 8 in here. The password protection prevent someone remove the block sites. Okay, if you want to try to remove this, okay, it asking for the password. Okay, then that's all how you can block websites on Google Chrome web browser. Okay, don't forget to install the wrong extension because in the Chrome Web Store there are many extensions here, and I suggest you to using this with 1.4K is rating. Okay, so this is I already try its best of the list here. Okay, that's all tutorial how you can block websites on Google Chrome. Hope this video helpful for you and thanks for watching.